Substack Profile versus Publication confusing. Now, the thing to know is that on Substack, there are two quite separate parts to the program. The first part is your personal profile, which is what we're looking at now. And this will include such things as the home, the subscriptions, the chat, your activity. You can explore different publications. The dashboard is here and the profile itself. So if, for example, while I'm in my profile, if I go to home, my profile is like my separate account. If I go to home, it will give me all the activity on my profile to this point. Okay, so that is your personal Substack account. Now that's completely different to your Substack publication. Your publication, each account can have as many publications as you like, and your publication is the other part of your Substack account. So for example, on here, if I go to Dashboard, that will take me away from my personal profile and it will take me to my Substack publication or my Substack newsletter. And then to check that out, if you look down the left here, you'll see a completely different set of items on the menu. There's my website, there's my post, my podcast, my chat, subscribers, a whole bunch of stuff down there, payments, recommendations, etc. So the publication, my Substack newsletter, is completely different to my personal profile. And this is what my website looks like. Okay, so that's it in a nutshell. There's two separate parts. There's your personal profile, which is your account, and then underneath your account, you can have as many publications or newsletters as you like.